Hello, I'm going to show you how to do problem number 4, which deals with the identity tan theta plus cosine theta over 1 plus sine theta is equal to secant theta. So now, first thing we should do to start off would be to change everything that's not a sine and cosine into sine and cosine. Now, the rule of thumb is basically, if you're working with an identity, you want to start from the most complicated side and work your way to the right-hand side. I don't want you to flip-flop and solve both sides at once. Start from the left, see if you can work your way to the right. Just like if you're going down a road, you want to get to your destination, you cannot see exactly where your final destination is from your starting point. You have to go along the way to discover it from your journey ahead. So tangent theta is basically going to be sine theta over cosine theta plus, here we're still going to have cosine theta and over 1 plus sine theta. Now here we want to find a common denominator. So in this case, the common denominator, everything would be over cosine theta parentheses 1 plus sine theta. And now the numerator would be basically a product, cross product of those two. So it's going to be sine theta when we distribute. So it's going to be sine theta times 1, which is sine theta, plus sine theta times sine theta is sine squared theta. And then here, cosine theta times cosine theta would be plus cosine squared theta. Now that looks very nice because sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta, we know by the Pythagorean identity that's equal to 1. So it's going to be sine theta plus 1 over cosine theta parentheses 1 plus sine theta. Now that looks even more nice because that cancels out. So the sine theta plus 1s will cancel. So I'll have here 1 over cosine theta. And 1 over cosine theta, that's a reciprocal identity. That's equal to secant theta. That's our destination.